Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to factory reset iPhone 8 and 8 Plus if forget Apple ID password without compute. So guys, without waste your time, let's start the video. Simply launch the settings and little bit scroll up to find to general and little bit scroll up transfer or reset iPhone and then erase all contact settings. Then will continue and his iPhone is asked learn more, erase anyway and cancel. You then click erase anyway and then iPhone passcode, you give passcode and then should be set up backup. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds and then either continue. You can see appears on second Apple ID. If you forget your Apple ID password, how to reset any password, turn off and again turn off, tap on forget password, enter your iPhone passcode, enter your passcode, tap on next. Your password has been changed. From now on, please use your new password. We signed into your account. Tap on done. Simply turn off. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds. You can see appears on screen. It is iPhone factory reset. iPhone if forget Apple ID password, that is it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to factory reset iPhone 8 and 8 Plus if forget Apple ID password without computer with third-party software, without any iTunes or software. That is it. If video is helpful for you, please do not forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.